Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the alphabet. Okay, so we call alfabe. Okay, alfabe. It's pretty close with the English meaning, so you can easily remember. Okay, alfabe. First of all, I would like to give you some general information about the Turkish alphabet. Okay, um, so if you already took my Turkish class before, this is gonna be like a review, okay? And if you already know, it will be easier for you. But if not, you can just watch the video a couple times, or you can go to YouTube and then you can find some videos about the Turkish alphabet, okay? You can also find some songs. It may help you to remember easily, okay? So first of all, in Turkish alphabet, we have Latin letters, okay? As you see, we use the same letters, right? But you will see some different letters, different sounds, but we use the same letters, all right? Um, so first of all, we have 29 letters, right? 29 letters. And 21 of them are consonants. Consonants. Do you know consonants? Can anybody give me an example? Hmm. I can I can hear what you're saying, right? So the consonants are like B, C, D. All right, it goes on. And how many vowels? How many vowels are there in Turkish alphabet? So just do the math. So it's gonna be 8, right? So there are 8 vowels. So in this video, I will talk to you about the sounds of those letters, and I will give you some examples, but I'm not gonna cover the whole alphabet. I'm not gonna talk to you about like 29 letters. I will hopefully give you like 15 or 14 letters with the sounds, with the examples, and then I will hopefully complete the video tomorrow with the rest of the letters. Okay, so first of all, um, all right, let's start with the letters, the sounds. All right. So let me give you these letters first. Okay. It seems like English letters, right? But the way we say is different. Before I tell you any of the sounds, here's the fact. If you learn a sound for any letter in Turkish, it's the same all the time. All right? So, for instance, let's start with this letter. We call a, okay? A. For example, you say cut, right? A, cut. Just focus on the sound, okay? Not this letter. Please focus on the sound. Cut. A, okay? This is the sound for this letter. A, okay? A. But in English, let's talk about it in English. So we say A, right? A. But is it always the A? No. Look at this example. Team. team. I don't hear any A sound, right? Team. Or let's say men, right? Men. It's not a sound again. So we can just add more and more and more, but the sounds are different, right? But in Turkish, it's always the same. So okay, Now let's talk about this letter. We call b, okay? This is the same, okay? When we say board, right? B, b. This is gonna be the same. So next is, this is another important letter, right? In English, you can say it can give you k sound or s sound or ch sound. We can use in a different ways. For instance, car, right? Car. Or nice. See, we have k sound, but now we have s sound. But in Turkish, you will not see any of these. So this is C, okay? C. Please look carefully and remember C, okay? A, B, C. C. Like, how can we say in, how can we hear that sound in English? We can use this one, jet. I know this is not the same letter, but I want you to focus on the sound, okay? Jet, jet. Or you can say jacket. We can put more examples, all right? And I'm giving you these examples because your assignment will be the same. I want you to put the letters, the Turkish letters, and then give me an example with that sound. All right? So please listen carefully. Okay, now this letter looks different, right? So it seems like C, but it's not. There's a line under the C. So the sound is ch, okay? Ch. Like how? Like chalk. Okay? Ch. So whenever you use C and H together, you say ch, right? So this is just one letter to have that sound, okay? Ch, ch, chalk, or chat, right? So it's the ch sound. Okay, let's repeat what we learned. A, B, C, ç. Okay, again. A, B, C, ç. So what about this one? It's the same sound. D, D, like desk. Okay, I will try to use the same letters if I can have the same sound. Okay, so in this one it's the same. D, okay, desk. D. Now another confusing, it's not confusing, but most of the time you think English, and then when you see this letter, you easily say what's in English, right? It's in English, it's E, right? But in Turkish, we say E, okay? E, E. Like you say in, like, men, right? Men, E, E, E. or we can say can, right? A sound. Please be careful. Next, this is f sound, right? F sound. This is going to be, so this is f sound, fe, okay? Fe. Like when you say freak, right? Freak. Or fury. The same sound. All right. Let's move on to the other letters. I'm gonna write them all together, okay? Oops. All right. Let's continue. It's gonna be all right. These are the other letters, okay? So I'm gonna say all together, and then I will give you more detail about the sounds. Okay, this is G. Okay, G, yumuşak G, H, I, I, J, K, L. Right? Let's say it again. G, yumuşak G, H, I, I, J, K, L. All right. So let's find an example with these letters. Okay. So G. How can we use G? We can say goal, right? Goal. It's G, goal. Or game, right? It's the sound G. Yumuşak G is a lot different, and there is no yumuşak G is in English, right? So I know it's a long sound, but it's not. It's just the way we explain the sound. It's basically saying like soft G, all right? And in this one, I will give you Turkish word. Okay? So if you see this letter, you will just say some of the sound longer, like yağmur. Okay? Yağmur. So in this one, you will say this sound longer. Okay? Yağmur. All right? Let's continue. This is he. Okay? He. Like hot or heavy, right? So he. This is another difference. This is okay? Like, all right, for we can say like inventor. So I want you to focus on here, okay? Inventor, or better, okay? Better. So next one is E. So this is E, not I, okay? It's E. Like sit or bill, okay? E. All right, next one is je. Je. This is je. This is how we say television, okay? This is the sound in here. J. Television. Next is ke. Ke. Like cat. right? K, k, the same sound. Cat, okay? And the other letter is L, L, le, le, like lemon, right? Lemon, L, L. Alright, so we learned 15 letters today. That's gonna be all. I will continue tomorrow with the rest of the letters, okay? So until next time, I hope you have a nice day or night. I don't know when will you watch this video, but if you have any question, please send me an email or send me a text message on Google Voice. Just make sure you understand everything, okay? So bye bye, take care guys.